The next thing I want to talk about are some mobility bands. Mobility is definitely an important thing. My parents are 70 years old, so having some extra mobility is always going to be beneficial for everybody, not just my parents, but for everybody. So I wanted to get a full set of mobility resistance bands so they can work on their mobility all the time. We got a full set of bands. These are just like any other band that you've seen. They've got the PRx branding on them. Gonna be really nice. Nice purple band. The heaviest band that they sent is the green band. I don't know the weight ratios on this. I'll have to look it up and put it on the screen for you. Red band, black band. In order of thickness, it goes green, purple, black, red, yellow. This yellow one is really thin, wow. And then of course, true to PRx form, they sent a storage rack for the mobility bands. A nice little hook on each one of them so that you can hook and store your mobility bands, because if you've ever had mobility bands, you know they're a mess all the time. So having a storage rack will be great. Okay, so the nice thing about mobility bands is they don't weigh a lot, so you don't need heavy duty anchors for the mobility band rack. So I'm gonna hang it right here, just in the middle onto the OSB, and hopefully they don't hit the ground when they hang. Just a couple of drywall screws to attach it. Okay, so hang the big one in the back, purple one, black one, red one, and the yellow one. And it doesn't touch the floor. Perfect. These are perfect. The length is perfect. So this set of resistance band from PRx is a nice set, nice way to store it. I like this. It keeps it clean. Again, back to the aesthetics of PRx and how they pay attention to detail, keep everything off the floor. If we had more wall space, I'd put it somewhere else, but these shelves kind of get in the way for maximizing, well, actually we've maximized the wall space, but these shelves get in the way from us using more space. So this is gonna work great. This will be easy to grab. Nice addition to the home gym, because mobility is super important. So if you want to check them out, I'll leave my affiliate link in the description. Stay tuned to the channel for more videos, updated reviews on how all of this PRx equipment holds up over the next little while, and subscribe to the channel for more tips on how you can perform better, recover faster, and live healthy. I'll see you in the next video.